To get started pairing your Aurora device to your smart bulb, make sure you have the rotary knob, rotary base, and a Philips screwdriver. Remember to remove the base from the packaging. If you have a Philips Hue bridge, please see the bridge install video for pairing with the bridge system. Programming is easier if you can easily access the bulb during this step. Pro tip: install the bulb in an easy-to-reach table lamp for programming, and then install it in its final location once all programming is complete. Start by turning the bulb off and then on. This will let the bulb know you are ready for programming. You can program the bulb for up to 15 minutes after it has been turned on. Hold the Aurora dimmer as close as possible to the bulb you want it to control. Then hold the button on the Aurora device until the LED blinks slowly. Upon initially pressing the button, the LED on the Aurora device will blink. Continue holding the button. After a few seconds, the bulb will flash. Don't let go of the Aurora button yet. Hold on for a few more seconds until you see a very fast LED flash from the Aurora device. You can only connect one bulb to your Aurora device at a time, so repeat this step for all bulbs that you wish to control with your Aurora device. Make sure the bulb is turned on before you begin installation. Start by placing the base over the toggle switch. Ensure the opening in the base aligns with the switch. Hold the base tightly against the wall plate and securely fasten using a Phillips screwdriver. Ensure the base is secured firmly before moving on to the next step. Line up the opening in the device with the toggle switch and then push the device onto the switch until it clicks. The controls should snap in easily and the gray base will still be partially exposed. Aurora makes it easy to control one bulb from 2 or more locations. Start by following the same process you used to associate one Aurora control to the Philips Hue bulbs. Next, you will need to associate the controls to each other. It's important to remember which device you have already paired. To make this easy, put the already paired device in your left hand. To associate the devices together, hold the controls very close together and press and hold both buttons at the same time. The LED will flash quickly on the new Aurora, followed by a quick flash on the initially programmed device. Next, you will need to pair the newly programmed Aurora to the initial bulbs. Hold the button on the Aurora device until the LED blinks slowly. After a few seconds, the bulb will flash. Don't let go of the Aurora button yet. Hold on for a few more seconds until you see a very fast LED flash from the Aurora device. Repeat this process if you are adding additional controls.